Hey everybody, welcome to Salt Life Builds. With spring right around the corner, here is a super easy DIY on how to make raised garden beds using cedar picket fences.
The first step is to cut 12 of these cedar fences to 70 inches. We're going to use those for the lengths. Now that we have these 12 cut to size, we need to make the insides of the corners. And for that, I'm going to be using a 4x4. Now a quick tip, I was able to get both of my 4x4s for 70% off just because they were really warped. So because I'm only using little sections of it for the corners, I was able to get it at a discount. Keep that in mind. Now to find the height of the 4x4, I'm going to find the width of my cedar plank, which is 6 inches. Because I'm using 3, that's going to give us a total of 18, and I want to be just shy of that, take off about ½ an inch, so I'm going to cut my 4x4 to 17.5 inches. All right, so now that we have the legs cut, we're gonna go ahead and prop them up on either side. Take one of our panels, line it up on both sides. Doesn't need to be perfect. Now to get the most out of our planks, we're going to cut them in half and then lay them up the side, and that'll be our width. So half of 70 is 35. Once we have them cut, we're going to lay them down, pin them in, and we'll make our way up to the top. Now that we have both of our boxes assembled, we have 5 more planks remaining. I'm going to go ahead and strip them in half and use those stripped pieces for the corners and the top. When you're pinning in the top piece, I like to take 2 scrap pieces, butt them up together like this, and hold it against to make it flush. That way when we go to put our corner piece on, it's gonna be nice and you have a little overhang. So 2 scrap pieces, put them up. And now that we have the end caps on, I can measure the distance between them, 66 3/4. And on this side, we're looking at 66 3/4.
After they were completed, we just positioned them in the garden that we are currently making. And if you want to see that video, I'm posting a time lapse on the whole transformation, as well as adding some other fun little builds in there as well. You can go ahead and click that video right here in the corner.